Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now, in the last video you saw on the Golf, I had just fitted a set of Cobra lowering springs and described how it impacted the ride. Now this week, I'm in a very unique position where I'm currently running a set of lone 19-inch wheels, and I just thought it'd be fun to do a quick video to see how that impacts the ride. So when this car was delivered, it came on VW's 18-inch Marseille alloys with a set of Bridgestone Potenza tyres. Now they were okay, but for something that runs, or a car that runs in electric mode part of the time, they were quite noisy. So when they wore out, and in fairness, I had curbed an alloy and actually dropped another one face down on the gravel, I decided to have them refreshed and a new set of tyres fitted. At the time, I was looking for something that had a nice balance between performance, a low rolling resistance, so it was good economy, and also particularly low noise levels. And what I settled on was the Michelin Primacy 4s. And I've got to say, I was happy with those for the majority of the time I was running them. Just when they started to get a little bit old and quite worn, they did become noisy. And the noise was quite bizarre. It was actually, it sounded like something like a wheel bearing going, which is obviously quite concerning. It took me a while to actually establish what the issue was. And it just seems to be that the way that the tyres wore on the interface on the rear, which so I'm told is particular to the Golf. Really weird. The refurb that I had done, for whatever reason, the clear coat just didn't stick and just started peeling away. And it started to look a bit shoddy. Tyres needed replacing now. So once again, I've sent them off to be refreshed and have some new tyres fitted. Whilst they're in the shop being done, the company have loaned me a set of 19-inch Golf R wheels, which I think are called Pretorias. And they fit the arches really well. They're slightly wider than the 18-inch wheels that I had. I was running 225 tyres on that. These are running 235s. Obviously being 19-inch, we have got that lower sidewall as well. Now having the lower sidewall and with these lowering springs, for me, it's just a little bit too harsh, especially on the roads around me, which are pretty awful. However, when you get it on a nice open road, oh yes. Can't comment too much on the tyres because being a lone set, I haven't got a matching set front and rear. On the front, I think it's Continentals. On the rear, we've got the Michelin Pilot Sports. But pressing on some back roads, you really do feel it stick to the road. It really does start to make sense. And I understand why people rave about the Michelin Pilot Sports. However, again, when I get the wheels back, I'm not going for Pilot Sports. Again, they are focused purely on the sporty element. For me, I'm looking for something more of an all-rounder tyre. So again, with much more research, it was a toss-up between the new Primacy 5 and the Goodyear Eagle F1 Assemetric 6. Just to have a little bit of variation, I have chosen the Eagle F1s. So we'll switch over to having those fitted onto the car and see how they compare. So my refreshed alloy wheels are back on the car and looking resplendent once again. Although possibly a little underwhelming after those 19-inch wheels. I did get used to those, I've got to say, after a few days, and kind of got used to the ride, and it perhaps wasn't as hard to live with as I initially thought. I must give a shout out to Wheelworkz of Warfield for a great job on my wheels and just excellent customer service. Now my wheels are shod with the Eagle F1 tyres, and first impressions is pretty good. My first reaction was, or first thing I noticed, was just how quiet they were over those slightly wider 19-inch wheels and tyres, which for me is a really big tick. The Eagle F1 so far are meeting their specification. They feel great, and actually I think they quite suit this car. They're a little firmer than the Primacy 4s I was running before, and there probably wasn't a great deal of difference when switching from the 19s back down to my 18-inch. However, that said, I am so far really pleased with this choice of tyre. If, like me, you've chosen a GTE, you've probably chosen it for the mix of sportiness and eco, but the majority of driving is probably going to be in eco mode, so that is going to be a consideration when choosing tyres. So for now, on the couple of weeks that I've had these on, I can recommend these tyres. Will I go for a set of 19-inch wheels in the future? Probably not, but I've got to say they did look good and they did really fill those arches nicely. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please give us a like, subscribe if you haven't already, comment down below, and until next time, thanks very much for watching. Cheerio.